G. Ken presents 4 recipes for homemade toothpaste. But before we get started, subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Making your own toothpaste can be confusing. There are tons of recipes, but you may not know how to put them together or what to reduce in order to make a paste that works for you. If you are looking for simple go-to recipes for your homemade toothpastes that don't have an overabundance of ingredients and work for various issues, then these may be ideal for you. 1. Basic toothpaste. The first recipe, and most important, is your basic toothpaste. This is the recipe you will use for any toothpaste you will be making at home. You will need to use coconut oil or some other oil that becomes solid when cool. You will also need baking soda. The ideal mix is to take 4 parts of the coconut oil with 1 part of baking soda. Heat it over a double boiler until the baking soda is mixed into the oil completely. Remove from the oil and whip with a whisk to keep the baking soda from settling to the bottom of the mix. Use a small amount on your toothbrush like any other paste. You can use this paste daily. You can also add essential oils like cinnamon or peppermint for taste. 2. Charcoal whitening toothpaste. If whitening is your focus, then you will love this simple paste mixture. Just use your regular recipe for a basic toothpaste and add 1 to 4 capsules of charcoal. This will help whiten your teeth, grab and pull of stains, and will help with odor in the mouth as well. The easiest way to add charcoal to the paste is through capsules. Just open them and dump the charcoal into the regular basic toothpaste mix and mix well. 3. Sore mouth toothpaste. If you are having a sore mouth, then you want to use an essential oil that will help with the soreness and the inflammation. Take your basic toothpaste and add clove for severe pain and antibacterial effects. You can also add sage oil or any other essential oil or herbal tincture that helps reduce inflammation. If the pain is coming from the gums, consider adding a fine grain salt that is iodine-free. 4. Gingivitis fighting paste. If your biggest issue is gingivitis, then consider an oil-pulling paste. This isn't really a paste so much as it is an oil-pulling mix specifically for gingivitis. Use the same paste mixture you do as a basic paste and add golden seal as a tincture. Use 1 tablespoon of this paste and swish in your mouth as an oil-pulling option. The key with each of these homemade toothpaste recipes is the simplicity of each one. You have your basic toothpaste, your whitening option, and your tooth pain option. You can find all the ingredients easily and can make several batches from one large purchase. We thank you so much for watching. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe to our channel.